So over here in Google Photos, you can see that everything is bright at the moment. So you can see that it is a light view right now. But if you are more of a dark view person, then you can simply go ahead and change your theme to dark mode as well in Google Photos. So to do that, you need to click on settings, and then you need to go to appearance right here. And then you can see that dark is an option. So you can also use system default, meaning whatever you have used in your system will be set as the mode for the color theme. But if I were to select dark, then you can see that this is what you have. Everything is dark now, just like this. And this is what you have. So of course the photos don't change color, but the overall outlook right here and everything is in dark mode, as you can see. You want to change it back, then you can simply go around onto settings and then go to appearance right here and choose light mode as you like as well. And then this is what you have again. And that is how you can go ahead and then change the appearance settings as you like inside of Google Photos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.